Welcome back to Special Creation. Let me show you how to create all these beautiful DIY centerpiece that you can do at home. So we're gonna go ahead and grab these drawers that comes in a set of three, and they have large, medium, and small. So we're gonna use a spray paint, but before we do that, we're gonna take the first drawer, the large one, and we're gonna place it in there. We're gonna take a candle holder, put some hot glue in the bottom part, and then we're going to attach it to the middle of the drawer. Then after that, I'm gonna put some hot glue on top of it, and we're gonna grab the medium drawer and attach it to the top of the candle holder. Then just go ahead and grab another candle holder and put some hot glue and attach it on top. I did one large candle holder and one small and one medium. Then go ahead and put some hot glue on top and grab the other small drawer and place it on top. Grab your spray paint and spray paint it in gold. Then after you spray paint it in gold, I'm going to take some of these floral foam and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into like a piece so I could measure like inside, and then I just mark it down like that, and then I'm going to cut it into half like that. Then I'm going to place it inside there. So I'm just going to fill it up with the floral foam. So I'm just going to continue cutting it until I fill out the whole little box around it. And then after that, I'm going to grab my flowers and place it inside. But before you do that, make sure, don't do it like I did here, to grab your hot glue and attach it into the box just like that, so it can attach into place. And then you're going to go ahead and grab your flower and place it all the way around until you fill out the whole thing out. Then you're going to continue doing that to the second box. Just go ahead and fill it up with the floral foam and flower as well until you do both boxes. Then I'm going to put some small flower around it as well, just to give it that extra cute look. Then after that, I'm going to take this square glass, I'm going to place it on top, grab your candle and place it inside, and then I'm going to just go ahead and grab my lighter and light it up. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is like so elegant, different and unique that you can do for any party decorations, and it will look so great. I think this DIY came out so beautiful, and it can look beautiful in any party decorations, which I did this one with 3 tiers, but you could do it different as well, which I'm going to show you. You could just do it with the flowers and not put the candle. It's up to you how you guys want to do it, or you could also just do a small version with a candle like that, and this is like with 1 tier at the bottom, the large one, or you could also do it with 2 tiers and then the candles on top. I'm giving you a different idea. You guys decide which one is the best that you guys like, or you could also use another glass like that, like the round glass like that, and then just put it on the floor. And then I did 2 of them like that, which I think this one came out so pretty as well. This one, you could also use the smaller version. I only had 2 of the glass, that's why I did 2. And then here I'm gonna do 3 of them. And as you can see in the middle, you can spray paint the candle holder. You could just leave it as plain. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. I think this DIY came out so pretty, and I hope you guys like it. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this DIY. So I went to Dollar Tree and grabbed these little cute containers that they have. I got 3 of them. I'm gonna take this part out the top, and then I'm gonna put some rock inside like that. So I'm gonna make sure to put rock all the way into each containers, and then I'm gonna close it down one by one until I close all 3 of them. After that, I'm gonna take my hot glue and I'm going to put hot glue, and I'm going to do all the way around it, and then I'm gonna take one of the little containers and place it on top to attach it. Just make sure to level it up and then hold it like that so it can attach into place. Then go ahead and do the same process to the top and attach the container on top. Then after that, I'm gonna take the top out on the last one because I'm not gonna use it. And then I'm going to take this bouquet of flowers and I'm going to place it inside. And this is how cute, you guys, and simple that you guys can do at home. I think this came out so pretty and it's so inexpensive, and I think it will look great in a wedding, and it doesn't look as cheap. Then for the next year, I'm gonna go ahead and grab and take my flower out and take it apart. And I'm going to do this one a little bit different. I'm gonna take the top out, and I'm going to take my hot glue and attach a little bit of hot glue, and then attach the little container like that, one side with each other. So I'm gonna do that until I do all 3 of them attached like that. Once I do that, I'm gonna take some flour and place it inside. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out so simple and easy, and I think it came out so pretty. And the good thing about this one, that you could put a candle in the middle, you could put 3 candles on each one. It's up to you, and you could also spray paint it any color that you would like to do it. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna do it the tall version, but this time I'm gonna use this shiny ribbon. I'm gonna put it, if you would like to know where I got this, I'm gonna put it down below the link so you guys can get it. So then I'm gonna put, attach it all the way around there like that. As you can see, so I'm gonna take some, I'm gonna measure it first to make sure everything is measured to the same size of the as the other three containers. Then go ahead and take your hot glue, and then you're going to attach it first to the top, and then you're gonna continue putting hot glue until you attach the whole thing. Once you're done attaching it, then just go ahead and put some flowers. And here I put only a little bit flowers, so I'm gonna show you only with a small bouquet to how it look, and this is how it turns out, which I think came out so cute as well. And this is like with a small one and a little bit of a sprinkle on top. I think it came out so pretty, and I think it's so easy for you guys to do at home as well. And I also put a little bit more flowers. So here I'm gonna just make it a little bit wider, not so small, so you can see both ways, so you decide which one you like better. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So this is like the bigger version, so you decide which one should do. Remember, you can also spray paint the containers to different colors, and I think it will look also great. Please do not forget to share with other people that you think it might need any idea for this DIY. Now, for the next idea, we're going to have two of these cones from Dollar Tree, but we're going to cut the bottom part out like that. Just take a scissor and cut it out. Then after that, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on top. I'm going to take this candle holder and I'm going to attach it right in there like that. Then put more hot glue on top, and we're going to take the other one and attach it on top. Spray paint it, whatever color you guys are doing. I'm doing it silver. Then I'm going to take my flower and place it inside. For the next one, I'm going to take this one down, and I'm just going to take one of these little jars and and attach it to the top in there. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy that you guys can do for any party decorations. You could do any color of the flowers or the vase. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. Now for the next idea, we're going to take one of these little wine glass, and I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on top. Now I'm going to take this candy jar and attach it on top, spray paint it in black. I'm going to take this leaf, put a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to attach it like that in the front. This is like a very easy DIY that you guys can do. Then after that, I'm going to place another leaf at the bottom part and attach it with hot glue as well. Then after you attach it like that, I'm going to take this candle holder and place it inside, then put flower around it and put your candle right on top. And this is how beautiful it turns out, just without the candle, just the flower. You could do this red and white. You could also do it just in white like this one. Just place the candle on top. Either way that you guys decided to do, I think it's super cute. Most of these DIYs are for party decorations, but you could also use this ones for home decorations. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of these little plastic storage containers, and I'm going to take a black paint and spray paint it in black. Then after that, they have this like little mats like for the table. I'm just going to place it in there because I'm going to measure and then cut that part out, because we're not going to use the bottom part, just that part. Then grab your hot glue, put hot glue around it like that, and then we're going to attach it to the container just like that. Attach it right there into place like that. Make sure to put enough hot glue so it can hold down to the container. Then I'm going to take some floral foam, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it right in the middle. Take your greenery and place it around it. Fill it up with different flowers, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to share, comment, and like. Please comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. And if you have any decorations that you want me to do, please comment down below and let me know so I can do it for you. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Hope you guys like this DIY video.